If you've ever struggled to type a long website address using your Firestick remote, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to install the Downloader app on Firestick, Android TV, Google TV, and Android devices. We'll also enable the correct settings so you can install apps safely in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Downloader is one of the most useful apps for streaming devices because it lets you download APK files using either a website link or a short downloader code. It's free, easy to use, and works on most Android-based streaming devices. Step 1. Enable developer options. Before installing apps, we first need to enable developer options. On Firestick, go to Settings, My Fire TV. If you already see developer options, open it. If it's missing, select About, highlight your Fire TV device, and press the OK button 7 times until you see the message saying, "You are now a developer." Now go back, open Developer Options, choose Install Unknown Apps, and later make sure Downloader is turned on. This allows your device to install apps that aren't available in the official App Store. Step 2. Install Downloader. Now let's install Downloader. Go back to the home screen. Open Search, type Downloader. Be sure to install the official Downloader app by AFTV News. There are similar looking apps, so always check the developer name before downloading. Install the app and open it. When the welcome screen appears, simply press OK. Using Downloader is quite simple. At the top of the screen, you'll see an address bar. You can either type a website address or simply enter a short downloader code. Press Go, and Downloader automatically opens the download page. Tap Download. Once the APK finishes downloading, press Install. After installation is complete, choose Done instead of Open. Then delete the APK installation file to free up storage. You can always download it again later if needed. If you're using Android TV or Google TV, the process is almost identical. Install Downloader from the Google Play Store. The first time you install an APK, Android will ask for permission to allow Downloader to install unknown apps. Simply enable the permission, then return to Downloader and continue the installation. You only need to do this once. Downloader also works on Android phones and tablets. Install it from the Google Play Store. If prompted, allow Install Unknown Apps for Downloader in your device settings. Once enabled, you can download and install APK files the same way, using either URLs or downloader codes. And that's it. Downloader is one of the easiest ways to install apps on Firestick, Android TV, Google TV, and Android devices. Just remember, enable developer options if required, install the official Downloader app by AFTV News, allow installation from unknown apps, delete APK files after installation to save storage. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Firestick and Android TV tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.